हेलो बच्चों, स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज मैं आप सबके लिए एक इंग्लिश में ऐसे लेकर आई हूँ, द मीनिंग ऑफ सेलिब्रेटिंग रिपब्लिक। 26 जनवरी पर केंद्र सरकार व राज्य सरकारों द्वारा इस विषय पर निबंध प्रतियोगिता होने जा रही है। 4 टॉपिक हैं, उन 4 टॉपिक में से एक टॉपिक ये है। ये ऐसे इंग्लिश में है। अगर आपको इसका हिंदी अनुवाद चाहिए तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिएगा, तो आपको इसका हिंदी अनुवाद भी उपलब्ध करा दिया जाएगा। चलिए प्रारंभ करते हैं। ऐसे द मीनिंग ऑफ सेलिब्रेटिंग रिपब्लिक। एवरी ईयर वी सेलिब्रेट रिपब्लिक डे विद ग्रेट ज़ील एंड एंथुजियाज्म। इसका मतलब है बच्चों, उत्साह और जोश। Republic means a government run by the representative elected by the people. It has an elected leader. So Republic is a government by the people for the people. 26 January is a red letter day in the history of India. It is the day which made India a complete republic after many centuries of slavery. On this day, great merriments are made, national flags are hosted everywhere, speeches are delivered, various cultural programs are performed in the schools and colleges, grand functions take place at Red Fort. But why we celebrate this day every year? Does it only mean to host the flag and to deliver a speech and make merriments? The true meaning of celebrating this festival is to remind us that this day has not come to us easily. After the long centuries of struggle, torture, and hardships, we were able to get freedom on 15th August 1947. Countless sacrifices were made. Thousands and thousands of people were sacrificed on the altar of freedom. Thousands and thousands of women became widows. They could never see the face of their husbands. Thousands and thousands of children became orphaned. They never saw the face of their father. A few got name and fame in the history pages, but countless people died for the country. But they were not mentioned in the pages of history. Nobody knows their name. Countless people were crushed under the cruel feet of British Empire. People sacrificed all their comforts, wealth and family for the sake of freedom. Freedom is not the fruit of one man's effort. After the centuries of struggle and due to the cumulative efforts of all, we were able to get the freedom on 15 August 1947. Hence, we should realize the importance of this day. The celebration of Republic Day reminds us that our republic will not remain safe if we are not alert. Republic Day is the day of public, and if public is careless, then this day will come into danger. This day reminds us of our Constitution, which came into force on 26 January 1950. Our Constitution is the greatest law of India, which we should always respect. In our Constitution, our duties and rights are defined. We are given 11 duties and 6 rights by our Constitution. The list of duties is longer than the list of rights. So this day reminds us that we should be careful about our duties. If we are fulfilling our duties honestly, rights will automatically come to us. So whatever we are doing or whatever at post we are, We should do our duties with utmost sincerity and honesty. Since we the public elect the representative for us, so we must be very careful while electing the representative to rule over us. We should elect the honest and characterful leaders who are ready to serve the country selflessly. This day also reminds us to be aware about our culture and tradition. Our country is a land of diversity, but there is unity despite of all this diversity, which is the characteristics of our country. Hence, we should respect all. This day also makes us cautious about our borders. If our borders are safe, we will also be safe. Republic will remain safe if public is alert. So always remember that republic will remain safe if public is alert. It should not be the celebration of one day, but it should be the celebration of 12 months, each day and every day. Each day should be the day of alertness about our culture, tradition, about our country, our borders, about our unity and strength, about our duties to the family, society and our nation. Thank you. बच्चों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो ज़रूर लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मेरा चैनल भी ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।